Yo, what's up guys? Kanyewest315 here with a different video this time. This is not Yu-Gi-Oh related. So yeah, gotta have some diversity sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Alright, anyways. Yeah, let's get on with the video. I'm just trying to solve this thing. This Rubik's Cube right here. I'm just gonna try to solve this clownage right here. So yeah, let's get going. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, what was that? Alright, okay, I don't know where I am right now. Alright, there we go. Anyways. People must be thinking right now, like, what is this kid? Why did I subscribe to this kid? Or luckily, I'm not subscribed to this kid. This clown, if you will. Like, people expect all these Yu-Gi-Oh videos from me, and then they see this. Bam! Unsubscribe right there. I don't blame you guys. This is kind of a random video, you know? Oh my god, I just broke my Rubik's Cube. No! I'm probably gonna fail. Just kidding. I'm not gonna fail because I'm just that cool, you know? Kanyewest315. I don't fail, man. Don't fail, man. Okay. Because I said that, I'm gonna fail. Alright. Oh, crap. Oh my god. I'm at like a very awkward angle right now, making this video, so it's taking longer than I expect. I can usually do this in a few seconds. Whoa! What happened there? This thing's off. Alright, sorry about that. Oh crap. It's taking a lot longer than I expected. Sorry about that. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys.